The Arteck Split Keyboard AK12 is designed to enhance comfort with its ergonomic split design, allowing your wrists and forearms to remain in a natural, relaxed position. This keyboard comes with a soft cushioned wrist rest, providing additional support and comfort for prolonged typing sessions. With a straightforward setup, you can simply insert the nano USB receiver into your computer and start using the keyboard immediately. The Arteck Split Keyboard AK12 boasts an impressive 6-month battery life, thanks to its high-capacity rechargeable lithium battery. Included with the keyboard is a USB-C charging cable and a nano USB receiver, ensuring you have everything needed for a seamless experience. Arteck offers a 2-year warranty and friendly customer service, showcasing their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.